Yo, what up, guys? It's Gaming on Pro. Today we're gonna be learning how to.
XXX.
Hey there, we're gonna be learning how to play Getting Over It. Let's go. Yes, run this, please. Okay, we're playing Getting Over It. Let's go. So the strategy is, and also I've already played this, so I'm pretty good at it.
Shut up.
I know I'm not good at this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hopefully not lag, but you're gonna move the mouse around or the trackpad, whatever. It's the only thing you can use in this game. Nothing else is very helpful. Actually, nothing else works. Nothing else works besides the escape key. Escape key is to pause. And all you do is just move your mouse around to move the hammer, whatever this thing is. And you're pretty much good. Your goal, pretty much, is to get to the top of the mountain, which I'll probably never do in my life. Please like and subscribe. I need more views. Thank you.